Hello everyone, and this is Devabrata here. So basically, in our previous lecture, we had discussed the permutation and combination from class 11, and in the today's class, we will cover here the sequences and series from class 11, and the total number of questions are coming from the JEE Main. There are 2 or 3 questions, and the JEE Advanced 2 questions are coming from this chapter, and we will cover here the arithmetic progression AP, mean and properties of AP, geometric progression GP, mean and properties of GP, relation between AM and GM, harmonic progression HP, mean and the properties of the HP, relation between AM, GM and HM, sum up to n terms and infinite terms of special series n, n square, n cube, arithmetic, geometric progression. So let's get started. We will cover here the chapter summary in a nutshell and the previous year problem coming in the JEE Main and Advanced. So first of all, the progression and the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means the AP. So, general term of an AP. First, the general term. General term means that the first term A and the common difference D. So, the nth term of AP, that the Tn, is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Next, nth term from the nth of an AP. This is the nth term from the nth of an AP. That the L minus n minus 1 into D. Okay. And here the L be the last term. Next, sum of n term of an AP. That the sum of nth term. First term A, common difference D, last term L. So, the Sn, that would become n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. And if there are the last term L, then it would become the Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L. First term into last term. So here the nth term, that would become the Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. Okay. Next, the important result. Important result means we always choose 3 numbers in the arithmetic progression, that the A minus D, A and the A plus D. Next, 4 number in AP. That would become A minus 3D, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Next, 5 number in AP. 5 number in AP, it would become a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d. And it would become, we always choose so next, arithmetic mean of 2 number AB. Next, the arithmetic mean that the AM of 2 number A and the B, that would become A plus B divided by 2. If there are A1, A2 dot dot An are n number, then the arithmetic mean A would become 1 by n total number into sum A1 plus A2 plus dot dot plus An. Okay. Where A, the arithmetic mean, AM. N arithmetic means between A and B. Next concept, that N arithmetic means NM between A and B, that the A1, that is the A plus B minus A divided by n plus 1, and the A2, that is A plus 2 into B minus A divided by n plus 1, and such that the n, that is A plus n into B minus A divided by n plus 1. Okay. These are the n arithmetic means between A and B. Next, the geometric progression. 7. Geometric progression mean the GP. If ABC in GP, if A, B and C in GP, then B by A is equal to C by B is equal to R. R means the common ratio. GP can be written as the AR square dot dot, where A the first term and R the common ratio. And here in GP, the nth term that is the nth term here, the nth term means the Tn. Tn is equal to A r to the power n minus 1. Next, sum of the first n term, the sum of the first nth term, that is the Sn. Sn is equal to A into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r is not equal to 1, and another it would be n into a when r is equal to 1. Okay. Next, sum of the infinite GP. Sum of the infinite GP. Sum of the infinite GP means a plus ar plus ar square plus dot dot. This is equal to a divided by 1 plus r. R be the common ratio. Next, the important result. Important result that the geometric mean GM of A and B, that would become GM is equal to root over of AB. If this is 1, A1, A2 dot 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 n are n positive in number, n positive number are n positive number, then the geometric mean would be GM, that is equal to A1, A2, A3 dot dot n to the power 1 by n. This would be the geometric mean. Next, property number 2, n geometric mean between A and B. N geometric mean between A and the B, that would become the R equal to B by A to the power 1 by n plus 1. R equal to B by A to the power 1 by n plus 1, and A B by A to the power 1 by n plus 1, A B by A to the power 2 by n plus 1 dot dot dot, as it is the A B by A to the power n by n plus 1. Okay. Next, we always choose that the T term in GP. Property number 3, we always choose C term in GP, that is A by R, A and AR. Next, the fourth term in GP, A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. Next, the fifth term in GP, A by R square, A by R, A, AR and the AR square. Next, one important result. This is a conclusion. You say, if A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3 is a GP, then log A1, logarithm of A1, log A2, log A3 are in AP. This is very important result. Suppose A in GP, then the log of A, this would be in AP, arithmetic progression. Next, the harmonic progression for JEE Advanced. The harmonic progression, this is defined as the HP. If ABC in HP, if A, B and C are in HP, then the reciprocal means 1 by A, 1 by B and the 1 by C will be in AP. That means 1 by B minus 1 by A, that is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by B. This is the definition of harmonic progression. Next, that A1, A2 dot An in HP. If 1 by A1, 1 by A2 dot 1 by An in AP is in AP, nth term of HP, okay, the nth term of HP, that would be the An is equal to 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. Very important. 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D, where the A equal to 1 by A1 and the D equal to 1 by A2 minus 1 by A1. And here the important result, that the 11. Important result in HP. Harmonic mean of A and B. Harmonic mean of A and B is defined as the H, that the twice AB divided by A plus B. This is the harmonic mean. Suppose if the A1, A2, A3 dot An are non-zero number, then the 1 by A is equal to 1 by N into 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 plus dot plus 1 by An. Okay. Next, this is 1 and next 2, n number H1, H2 dot Hn. Harmonic means between A and B, that the 1 by H1, that would become 1 by A plus A minus B divided by n plus 1 into AB. Next, 1 by H2, that would become 1 by A plus 2 into A by B divided by n plus 1 into AB. As it is, dot 1 by Hn, that would become 1 by A plus n into A minus B divided by n plus 1 into AB. Okay. Next property number 3. If a1, a2 dot 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 n are n positive real number, suppose that if a1, a2 dot 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 n are n positive real number. Very important result. The arithmetic mean would be 1 by n a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 plus n. Geometric mean would be a1 a2 dot 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 n to the power 1 by n. And the harmonic mean hm, that would be 1 by n 1 by a1 1 by a2 plus dot dot 1 by n. Therefore, the am greater equal to gm greater equal to hm. Very important result. am greater equal to gm greater equal to hm. Next, the arithmetic geometric sequence. Okay, very important. This is 12. This is the sequence. An arithmetic and geometric sequence is in the form that the AB A plus D into BR A plus twice D BR square A plus thrice D into BR cube dot dot. Sum to n term of a arithmetic geometric series. Very important result. That the point number 13. Sum to n term sum to n term of an arithmetico geometric series that would become the Sn is equal to AB divided by 1 minus R plus DBR 1 minus R to the power n minus 1 divided by 1 minus R whole square minus A plus n minus 1 into D BR to the power n divided by 1 minus R for R not equal to 1. Very important. And if the minus 1 less than R less than 1, then for this condition A should become AB divided by 1 minus R plus DBR divided by 1 minus R whole square for minus 1 less than R less than 1. This is for only JEE Advanced. The sum of n term of arithmetico geometric series. Next, the very important some special sequence. Some special sequences. So first one, summation k1 to n k, that is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus n. The sum would be half of n into n plus 1. Next, summation of k square, that the 1 square, 2 square, dot 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 n square, that would be what? 1 by 6 n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Next, summation of, this is for k1 to n, okay, k cube means 1 cube, 2 cube, dot 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 plus n cube, that would be the half n into n plus 1 whole square. Next, number 4, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot plus 2n minus 1, the odd one. Basically the sum of odd number, that sum of 2n plus minus 1. Sum of odd number would be the n square. Very important. And the last one, to obtain the sum that I less than j, ai aj, we use the relation that twice summation I less than j, ai aj equal to a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 plus an whole square minus a1 square plus a2 square plus dot 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 plus an square. Okay. To obtain the summation ai aj, we use the relation twice summation ai aj is equal to a1 a2 plus a3 dot 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 n whole square minus a1 square plus a2 square plus dot 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 n square. Next, this is the sequence. Next we go through second topic, the series. Here we discuss in series that the logarithmic, exponential and Maclaurian series. Just a minute. That first of one, in series we discuss the exponential series. Exponential series, that if n greater than 1, then the form binomial theorem that the 1 plus 1 by n to the power n, that would be what? 1 plus n into 1 by n plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into 1 by n square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into 1 by n cube plus dot dot. So basically it is written as the limit n tend to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus dot 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 up to infinity. That is E equal to, by the formula of the limit n tend to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n. So value of E lie between 2 and 3. So E value in between 2 and 3. Okay. that would become 2.718282828. This is the value of the E. Okay. Next, the exponential series, that the e to the power x. So 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial plus dot dot. Because putting minus x in place of x. So next, e to the power minus x. Okay, for e to the power minus x, it would become plus minus in this form. So 1 minus x by 1 factorial. Next the plus x square by 2 factorial. Next the minus x cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot. The nth term, that the minus 1 to the power n, x to the power n by n factorial plus dot dot, go on. Next, that the e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2. This would become 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial plus dot dot. Next, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by 2. So it would become that x by 1 factorial by this first relation, this one. Okay, put this value. X by 1 factorial, the odd one. X cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial plus dot dot, go on. Next, the e to the power ix. E to the power ix, that would become the 1 plus ix by 1 factorial plus I square x square divided by 2 factorial plus I cube x cube divided by 3 factorial plus dot dot, as it is. Next, the e to the power minus ix, that would become plus minus. So plus minus ix divided by 1 factorial, then plus I square x square divided by 2 factorial, then minus I cube x cube divided by 3 factorial, then plus I to the power 4 x to the power 4 by 4 factorial, then minus, as it is. Next, the e to the power ix plus e to the power minus ix divided by 2. So it would become the 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial minus x to the power 6 by 6 factorial plus dot dot. Next, e to the power ix minus e to the power minus ix divided by 2. So it would become ix by 1 factorial minus ix cube divided by 3 factorial plus ix to the power 5 divided by 5 factorial plus dot dot dot, as it is. Sorry, it would become minus, because plus minus as it is. Okay. Then the exponential theorem, very important. The exponential theorem. The exponential theorem states that the a to the power x is written the 1 plus x log a plus 1 by 2 factorial x log a base e whole square plus 1 by 3 factorial x log a cube plus dot 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 up to infinity. This is the exponential theorem. Next, the logarithmic series. the logarithmic series. So the logarithmic series that the log 1 plus x, that the x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power 4 by 4 plus dot dot dot. So where the range would become minus 1 less than x less than equal to 1. Now putting minus x in place of x, so it would become the log 1 minus x. So it would become the minus x, put this value, minus x 2x minus half x square minus 1 third x cube minus 1 4 x to the power 4 minus dot dot. Next, the very important Taylor series expansion of a function about a point. This is for the JEE Advanced. This is the last one. Taylor series expansion of a function about a point. Okay, this is for the JEE Advanced. That a function fx can be expanded by the Taylor series that the fa plus f dash a into x minus a plus the f double dash a into x minus a whole square divided by 2 factorial plus f triple dash a into x minus a whole cube divided by the 3 factorial plus dot dot fn a last term x minus a to the power n divided by n factorial plus dot dot as it is infinite series. If a equal to 0, then the expansion is called the Maclaurian series. MSC Maclaurian series. This is defined as the fx is equal to a equal to 0, so f0 plus f dash 0 into x, f double dash 0 f double dash 0 x square by 2 factorial plus f triple dash 0, put a equal to 0, x cube divided by the 3 factorial plus dot dot plus the nth term that fn 0 x to the power n divided by n factorial dot 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 so on. This is the so on. Okay. So we now cover here the chapter summary in a nutshell of the series and the sequences. Next we go through in the problem discussion session. First problem is very important, coming from JEE Main 2023 recent type of question. It says that let a1 a2 a3 dot 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 n be n positive consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. If d greater than 0 is its common difference, then limit n tend to infinity root over d by n into 1 by root over a1 plus root over a2 plus 1 by root over a2 plus root over a3 plus dot 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 plus 1 by root over an minus 1 plus root over of n is what value? Just a minute, plug my laptop into the charger. This value is the what? Try yourself and next look upon my board for the solution. Here, given that given this series that limit n tend to infinity root d by n into 1 by root over a1 plus root a2 1 by root a2 plus root a3 plus dot 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 plus 1 by root an minus 1 root an. Okay, this is given. So we now first solve that the 1 by root over a1 plus root a2 plus 1 by root a2 plus a3 plus dot dot plus 1 by root an minus 1 plus root an. We have to solve this one. So this is equal to what? Root a2 minus root a1 divided by a2 minus a1. Simple. Sar. Conjugate numerator and denominator. Root a3 minus root a2, a3 minus a2 plus dot 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 plus, this would be the root an minus root an minus 1 divided by an minus 1. So this would become d because the a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to dot dot an minus 1. This is the d difference, common difference. So here a2 minus root a1 root a3 root a2 dot dot plus root an minus root an minus 1. So now it would become root an minus root a1 by d. This is equal to what? Put this value, that the root over n means a1 plus n minus 1 into d minus a1 as it is. Now taking limit. Now taking limit, the limit n tend to infinity root d by n within bracket, this is divide d, that root a1 plus n minus 1 into d minus root a1. Simple calculation. Limit n tend to infinity 1 by root d, and within the bracket this is the root n. Simple calculation. a1 plus n minus 1 into d minus root a1. This is equal to limit n tend to infinity 1 by root d. Okay. So here it would become the root over of a1 by n plus d minus, put this value d by n minus add digit a1 by n. Just simple calculate. So it would become, say, express limit n tend to infinity, that 1 by root d. So n tend to infinity means 1 by infinity 0 plus d minus 0 minus root 0 Okay, so this would become root d divided by root d, means the 1. Okay, 1 would be the correct answers. 1. That option C would be the correct. Next, go ahead. Next question, another recent question. JEE Main 2024 saying that let AR square be an infinite GP if summation AR to the power n equal to 57 and sum A cube R to the power 3n is equal to 9747, then A plus 18R is equal to what? This is MCQ. Try yourself first and feedback me. This is MCQ. JEE Main recent questions. So here given the summation AR to the power n, this is equal to 57. That imply A by 1 minus R, this is 57. Okay. So A equal to 57 1 minus R. Next, the summation A cube R to the power 3n. This is what? 9747. So A cube divided by 1 minus R cube, simple calculation, 9747. This is equation 2 and that is equation 1. By equation 1 and the 2, we get what? Now we get 57 cube 1 minus R whole cube divided by 1 minus R by equation 1 and 2, 1 plus R square, this is equal to 9747. Simple. Next, simple calculate. Simple calculation. So, or the 1 plus R square minus 2R is divided by 1 plus R square plus R. That would be what? That would be 9747 divided by 57 cube, means 3 times 57. This would become 1 by 19. So, or 19 plus 19R square minus 38R is equal to 1 plus R square plus R. Simple calculation, quadratic equation, that the 6R square minus 13R plus 6 equal to 0. There will be 2 root. You calculate, it would become R equal to 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. And R should not be 3 by 2 because less than 1. So R equal to, therefore R equal to 2 by 3. It should not be greater than 1, okay? It should not be greater than 1. So R equal to 2 by 3. That means A equal to what? 19. So you have to find the A plus 18R. That would be the 19 plus 18 into R means 2 by 2/3. That would 31. 31 would be the correct answers. Okay. 31 should be the correct answers. 31 means option A is correct. And here the main concept is that the summation AR to the power n, this is equal to A plus AR plus dot dot, this is equal to A by 1 minus R, and the summation A cube r to the power 3n, this would become a cube plus a cube r cube plus dot dot, this would become a cube divided by 1 minus r cube. This is the concept, key concept. Next, go ahead. Third question, very important. JEE Advanced 2020, recent type of question. It says that this is a question of NAT, numerical answer type. Let m be the minimum possible value of log base 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3, where y1, y2, y3 are real. For which y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 9, let m be the maximum possible value of log x1, log x2 plus log x3 linear combination with base 3, where x1, x2, x3 are the positive real number, for which x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 9. Then you have to find the value of log base 2 m cube plus log base 3, capital M square is what? So the beauty here that this is basically the AM-GM inequality. Okay. AM-GM inequality. AM-GM inequality means 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3 divide by 3. This is always greater than equal to 3 to the power y1, 3 to the power y2, 3 to the power y3 whole to the power 1 by 3, because the AM greater equal to GM greater equal to HM. This is the key concept. Now calculate. So or 3 to the power y1, 3 to the power y2, 3 to the power y3 greater than equal to 3 into 3 to the power y1, 3 to the power y2, 3 to the power y3 to the power 1/3. Now taking logarithm both sides, that the log base 3 to the power y1, 3 to the power y2, 3 to the power y3, this is greater than equal to 1 plus 1/3 y1 plus y2 plus y3. Okay, because the y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 9 given, so this would become the 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. So here the minimum possible value of m, the minimum value of m, that the 4. Now for positive number x1, x2, x3. Next, for x1, x2 and the x3, same the AM-GM inequality, that the AM greater than equal to GM. So here the x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 greater than equal to x1, x2, x3 to the power 1/3. Now taking logarithm both sides implies that log base 3 x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 greater than equal to, that would be 1/3 of log x1 plus log x2 plus log x3, or this would be the 1 greater than equal to 1/3 log x1 base 3 log x2 log x3, because the x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 9, that is the m equal to 3. So the maximum possible value of m, max of m, that is the 3. So now our given value, that the log base 2 m cube plus the log base 3 m square, we have to find this one. Put this value, this is the 3, so 3 log base 2 4 plus this is the value 2 log 3, this value is 3, so that would become what? 3 here, 2 base 2 1 3 to 6, so this would become, this is 1, so 2, 6 plus 2 8. Okay, 8 would be the correct answers. 8, the answer would be the 8. Next, go ahead. Fourth question, another recent type questions coming in JEE Main 2022. This says that the value of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 11. This is would be what? 20 by 11, 11 by 6, 241 by 132, 21 by 11. Okay, try yourself. So here we have that the 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 11. Okay, so this would become sum R1 to 11. This would become what? 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus R. So this would become the summation 1 by, this would become what? R into R plus 1 by 2. This is the summation rule formula. So this would become the 2 summation of R1 to 11, 1 divided by R into R plus 1. This would become, put this value, 11 by 11 plus 1. Okay, so 11 into 11 by 12, that 2 6, so 11 by 6. 11 by 6 would be the correct answers. Option B would be the correct. Next, go ahead. The last question, another recent question, JEE Main 2023 NAT question, NAT numerical answer type. Let summation n0 to infinity n cube into 2n factorial plus 2n minus 1 into n factorial divided by n factorial into 2n factorial is equal to AE plus B by E plus C, where ABC belongs to integer, set of integer, and is summation n0 to infinity 1 by n factorial. Then A square minus B plus C is equal to what? So the given data is that given the summation n0 to infinity n cube to n factorial plus twice n minus 1 n factorial divided by n factorial to n factorial. So just split the sum. So summation 1 by n minus 3 factorial plus summation c by n minus 2 factorial plus summation 1 by n minus 1 factorial plus summation 1 by 2n minus 1 factorial minus summation 1 by 2n factorial. So put this value. This would be E, C, E. This would be half into E minus 1 by E. Just calculate E plus 1 by E. By this relation, E is defined in 0 to infinity 1 by n factorial. Put all this value and calculate the summation 5e minus 1 by E. And this is given by the question that the AE plus B by E plus C, where the A, B and C belongs to Z set of integer. Compare, just comparing. So comparing, we would get A equal to 5 and B equal to minus 1. Therefore, we have to find the value A square minus B plus C. This would be what? C is 0 and C is 0. Put this value 25 minus 1 plus 0. This would be the 26. So our correct answer would be the 26. 26. So we now cover here the 5 important questions coming in JEE Main and Advanced. For your better concept clarification and understanding, I usually give you the another 5 important questions from the JEE Main and Advanced. Please pause this video and take a screenshot quickly. So I think you should be able to click of my 5 important problem. This is the homework. And last but not the least, solve this homework, and if anyone needs this file and my study material of my YouTube lecture, just mail with us no hesitation with this ID cashshrodingers1935@gmail.com. So last but not the least, the thank you very much. Stay well and happy. Have a good day.